500 important English sentences. I am hungry. I am hungry. He is tired. He is tired. She is my friend. She is my friend. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. I like apples. I like apples. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Thank you for like and subscribe us. Thank you for like and subscribe us. This is my book. This is my book. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Can you help me? Please sit down. Please sit down. I need water. I need water. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. I am going home. I am going home. What time is it? What time is it? The food is hot. The food is hot. I love you. I love you. He is my brother. He is my brother. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. The car is new. The car is new. Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? I have a pen. I have a pen. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. My phone is broken. My phone is broken. I am happy. I am happy. Are you ready? Are you ready? The door is open. The door is open.